Okay, back with another Meals and Minutes Extraordinaire. This is just too cool. You're going to love this because most of the stuff you pick up at the store and put it together. This is not difficult. None of this is rocket science. Now this happens to be an Italian style blend. You can get these vegetables all pre-done. You don't have to buy all the different stuff and chop and do. But it's going to save you a lot of money. It's going to save you time, and you can do this fresh. Now I'm going to put some of the lettuce in there. Just very simple. I'll have some more for another salad later. So I'm going to just set that aside. And then I'm going to just put some other things in there. I want to put some dried cranberries because I love dried cranberries. It's just real simple. I love dried cranberries. It really works. So I'm going to put some of these in here. Depending on what time of year, around the holidays, Thanksgiving and whatnot, why this is always a real big hit. You just put a few more of the cranberries in it and you call it a cranberry salad. Then we're going to put some sliced oranges in it. If you want to call it an orange sliced orange salad, this is a mandarin orange. Call it an orange salad. Put more oranges in it. If you want to call it an apple salad, you can do the same thing. Now, you remember I did a dessert with the apples? These apples are amazing in here. I'm going to put them right into the same salad and mix it in. But I just put a whole bunch of flavors in that. Now with that, I've got that cinnamon going, right, you know. It's extraordinary. I'm going to put in some blueberries because blueberries are always good. Yeah, boy, talk about antioxidants and good healthy stuff. This stuff is going to make you happy. Your body will smile. Now, remember I did those pecans? I made some extra ones because I knew that we were going to have a use for some candied pecans. This is great. So I'm going to put some, actually I'm going to save a couple aside because I'm going probably to eat some and share them with the film crew because they're just delicious and we can't pass it up. So I've got some of those in there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to toss that around just a little bit. Now, if you watched the segment on the Tuscan Taste Tour, there's a package in there. It's kind of the Master Chef Garden package. And all it really amounts to, it's very simple. It's a lot of basil. We've got the basil olive oil. Where's that? Basil right here. And just a little bit of the garlic, maybe 20%, and less than 5% of the lemon. So I mixed that up in a little bowl here. And I don't know if you can see it on camera. I'll kind of get a little closer. There isn't much. There's maybe a couple of tablespoons. So I'm just going to put that in here and put that on the salad. And I'm going to mix this up. And this is amazing. You mix this up so that it kind of just mixes all that stuff around, mix up the flavors. This is something that you can do. It's a great summer salad. If you're a vegetarian and you're looking for something that's really tasty, a tasty alternative, this is it. You can do anything you want to with it. Now I've also actually been able to incorporate some meats in these on occasions, and I might even put one of those in the book when it comes out, the Meals and Minutes book, and show you how to do some things with that if you're interested. But here it is, it kind of combines. Now I'm going to take this bowl right over here, and we're going to make it look pretty. And keep in mind, I just bought a bag of salad and a little bit of fruit, put it in there, and mixed it up with some of these incredible oils. The flavor combinations in here are extraordinary. Just extraordinary. So I'm going to put that in there. Look at those blueberries. They're all coated with that nice flavor. Isn't that extraordinary? And we'll pile it up just a little bit more. Got to save room for some croutons. You always want that little crisp crouton action going on. You can make your own croutons. You can do what I did in this case. I actually bought some. And these are Zesty Italian. Doesn't that seem appropriate? Zesty Italian croutons. So I'm going to put a little of these on there. And then, whoop, go ahead and spill them all over the place. That's just real good. Okay, just put a few of those on there. And then, you're going to think that we're just absolutely out of our minds with the glaze. But this glaze is extraordinary and it adds another flavor profile in here. Now, if you're a real chef, the idea is, and I want to turn each and every one of you into a real chef, because with these products, you can produce a professional result, and you don't have to be a professional. This blend of flavors, nothing overtakes the other. There's all this combination of flavors. You'll taste them all, you'll experience them, and not one flavor is going to overtake the other. And we have this amazing salad. You saw how long it took, and that'll feed the family. You have that with a glass of wine, and you're a happy camper. This is fun stuff. Share it with your family. Eat well, live well. You're going to love this one.